It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
Hi guys, this is Kelbihero, and today ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano install yung tailbag na nabili ko sa Shopee. At syempre ipakita ko rin kung ano yung kasama sa tailbag na binili. Here's the tailbag. So, yun siya. Ang brand niya is Alpine Stars. So, wow! Familiar. This is, I guess, basta, kung ano mo okay naman siya. Quality niya, quality itself is very good. Waterproof siya. So, yan. So, pag umuulan habang mabiyahe ka, hindi basta-basta mababasa yan. Kasi ganyan, nakapatong siya sa seat mo. And surprisingly, malaki siya. Kasi kala ko nung nabili ko siya sa Shopee, nung tinitingnan ko siya sa mismong image doon sa Shopee, parang ang liit. Alam mo yung nakaka-diskumpiyado. Pero nung nakuha ko na siya, yun. So may kalakihan siya. So you can store a lot of stuff here. So, pakita ko naman kung ano yung kasama ng tailbag na ito. Okay, so now let's open the tailbag. Yep. Okay. So there is this big pouch. Minsan pwede ilagay yung helmet. So, yeah, pwede mo ilagay yung helmet else. So this is for a backpack strap. So yeah. So ito, pwede siyang gawing backpack. May mga nagparada ka na and you are in a parang not so safe parking spot. So pwede mong dalhin yung tailbag mo para hindi ka mangamba. So ilalagay mo lang siya. Nadali mo siya as backpack. Yeah. And then we also have this. So kung ayaw mong backpack, pwede mo siyang gawing shoulder strap. So yeah, lagay mo na siya sa shoulder mo. Sabit. This one I think is for a lock. So i-ano mo lang siya para mas double safety. Mga ganito. Yan. Well, honestly, I don't know what's this for. We'll figure out soon. So, yun ang laman niya. Yun lang naman siya. So, as for the capacity, actually, pwede mo siya extend. So, sobrang may space talaga siya, malaking room. And you can even store a helmet here. I-stretch mo lang siya. See, the size is gonna be like there. Kasyang-kasya ang isang helmet. So yan, enough of the demo thing. Showing you what's inside the tailbag. Now it's time to install the tailbag to the bike. Yeah. Okay, so now na nakita natin kung ano yung laman ng tailbag at ano yung mga gagamitin natin para ma-install natin siya. Either you use it as a backpack, shoulder bag, or attach it to your bike. Andito na siya sa loob. Yan. So now, enough of the discussion. Let's install the bag to my Benelli bike. Yan. One more thing though, just to let you know guys, the cost of this tailbag here in Malaysia is around 120 plus ringgit. So if you convert that into peso, I think it's around 1,500. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. Let's go to the parking area para install natin yung bike. Install natin yung tailbag. Okay guys, so here we are at the parking lot and install natin yung tailbag na binili ko.